Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading journey. This is an update to my last couple videos. In this video, I will be showing you an update on how my crypto bots have been performing the past 3 days after this most recent market crash. It is May 14th, and as I just said, the crypto markets have been crashing this past week. Let's go ahead and pull up coin market cap so we could take a look at how everything's been going. Here we go. Here's Bitcoin. As you can see, past 7 days, minus 14%. But we'll go ahead and pull up Bitcoin. We're at 29,000 right now. Let's pull up the 7 day. Actually, we'll pull up the monthly. So here we are. About 9, 10 days ago, we were at 39,000, about $40,000. And over this past week, we were at 5/7. We're at 34,000. And then 5/9 we were at 31, and all right, let's just pull up the 7 day now. And 5/9 30,000. 5/10 we were at 30,000. 5/11 we just started crashing and we hit about, what did we get, 26,000. 5/12, and we kind of bounced there. We've kind of found the floor right there at 26. And 5/13 30,000, and we're, where we're at right now, 29,000. um, right here at this crash, if you've been watching my last couple videos, you know that mostly this is due to Luna. Let's go ahead and pull up Luna here. Let's pull up Luna. Go. Here's Luna, and as you can see, 7 days ago, we'll pull up the monthly as well. We were at about 425. We were at 96 bucks. 5/4 we were at 86. We started this crash. 5/8 we are at 64. I remember this time we were at 26, 30 bucks. On 5/9, that was Tuesday, and I should have sold at that point. If you guys been following along my last videos, you know that I've had Luna for a long time. Ever since we've had this, um, ever since I started this channel, I've had about 100 to 150 coins, and as you can see, we just started crashing. I should have sold right here. I did not, but we just end up crashing. 5/11, 275. I think I did a video when we were at this time frame. Here, let's pull up the 7 days so we can see it a little bit better. 5/11, 428, 2 bucks, and then we've just been going down ever since. 5/11 dollar, and then we hit 12 cents. We hit 1 cent, and then we've been going under a penny ever since. 207, and then we hit, this is 4 zeros. I think we hit 5 zeros at one point. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, this is the update. This is the most, or the reason for this most recent crash. um, Terra Luna, uh, actually UST, the stable coin, was pegged to a dollar, depegged, and they had to mint more Luna to try to get the peg back up to a dollar, but that just increased the Luna, circulating Luna supply to, I believe, I think we're at like 6 trillion or something like that. 6 trillion coins. We went from like, uh, I don't even remember the number, but it went crazy. Let's go ahead and pull up the bots. Sick of talking about Luna, but let's go ahead and pull up the bots, and you will see how the markets have, how my bots have been reacting to this, to the crash. So here we are. As you know, if you've been watching my last couple videos, you know that I regrid when I thought that the bots have hit the bottom. And as you can see, they've been running for the past 3 to 4 days now. KSM dot's been running for almost 4 days. It's given me a bot profit of $36. The reason why is it's been out of range. Here, let's pull up the chart. It's been out of range pretty much this whole time. I Here's the last time it was in grid was May 12th, which was, I believe, Thursday. So yeah, I should have regrid when it went back on Friday over here, but I didn't. I will regrid this after this video. But having said that, these other coins I regrid um, 3 days ago, and as you can see, they've been performing pretty well the past couple days. I will do a separate video for ape, but as you can see, it's been running for 3 days and 12 hours. It's giving me an average daily return of 9.71%, which is $326 in bot profit based off of when I regrid this, which is 30%. So I had about $1,000 left, and I regridded at that point, and that's why it's 30% off of the $1,000. Solana BTC, it's been running for 3 days for 4% average daily return, 796 transactions for a bot profit of $225, which is 12%. Shiba Inu, it's actually been running for 3 days as well, 4%, 1,390 transactions for a bot profit of $113. And SHIB has actually been or underperforming of what I thought it would be. I thought it'd be doing as good as Ape has been doing, and it was actually much less returns off than this, but it's picked it up over the past couple days. Over this past day right here, I think this is when it started picking it back up when it hit this, started going up. Probably found the floor around this area, which is 50954. We are at 401149 right now. Oh no, I'm sorry, 1219 right now. And Luna, let's bring up Luna. I actually, um, Luna, if you watch my other videos, you know that it dropped dramatically in price, and I did not regrid it. It was just out of grid. I actually did try to regrid it last night, and let me just show you this. Actually, I didn't talk about it when we were talking about Luna just now, but um, where's that? Here we are. So at this point right here, I remember last night I was going to regrid it at this point, and I actually tried one time, but the software wouldn't let me. It said, I think it was too, the coin price was so low since I'm using the Luna ETH pair. Um, if I'm it's pegged against, or this coin pair is based off of ETH, and so it's a lot less than the Luna US dollar pair. So when I tried to do it last night, it wouldn't let me. And as you can see, this we had this big pump, and the reason why is because Kwon, the co-founder of Luna, um, he did his revival plan, and actually I was just looking at it right here. So his plan is, he wants to reset the network to 1 billion tokens, and redistribute it 40% to Luna holders before the depegging event, 400 million or 40% to UST holders at the time of the new network upgrade, 10% to Luna holders at the final moment of the chain halt, and 10% to the community pool. So some of that would go to me, but who knows how much would. I don't know if this is actually going to happen, but at this point, last night, if I had held or if I had gotten at that point, I was looking at Twitter this morning, and there were people who put in, a couple $100, and they now have $15,000. I think there was someone on Twitter I saw who put in $3,000 at the lows around this time frame, and they now have $100,000. Who knows how much I would have had? Coulda, woulda, shoulda, but I missed it. But that's why, this morning I went ahead and regrid it just to see what would happen, and it has made me 34% over the past 15 hours and 40 minutes. So if I put, I only put $100 into it. Um, oh, I didn't get to talk about this, but you know, a week ago, this was, I believe it, when we were at $80, it was around $8,000 because I had, 100 coins in this bot. Um, but obviously that went down to zero. But it's trading against ETH, and as it was going down, if you watch my last couple videos, you'll see that I made a couple $100 here, a couple $100 there. But at the time of before I did this, I ended up with around $300 to $400 in ETH. So I have $300 left, or I had $300 to $400 left, and I put $100 of it into this pair this morning, and so that's where this is coming from. But obviously, if I put in $1,000, that would have made me $340. But I didn't want to, there's it's scary right now with Luna. It's a gamble at this point. So I decided, I could put in $100 of what I have left into this. So that's where that's at. So yeah, that's the update on how my bots have performed since the crash. I've lost a lot of value overall. Um, and but if I didn't have the bots, I would just be hodling and doing nothing. So with the crypto bots, the bots are actually buying and selling and generating profit while hopefully the coins gain back their value. Instead of me just hodling and doing nothing, they're actually um, being proactive and making bot profits while the values of the coins go back and get their value. Will they gain their value back? Honestly, nobody knows. I hope they do, but in the meantime, the bots are gonna just generate me daily profit for me that I'll just bank. So that actually brings up another point that I brought up in the last couple videos. With bots, when the market crashes like it just did, you have a couple options. You could sell everything at a loss. You could do nothing and hold and hope that the coin pairs come back to the grids, and you'll go back into earning bot profits. Or you can be proactive and regrid the bots. If you catch the bottom, which it looks like I did with a couple of these, you will make bot profits as the coins go back and gain back their value. So that's what I did. I picked number three, and it's looking like that was the right choice at the time. As over the last 3 days, you can see here, it's made me $738 in 3 days. Um, we'll see how long term if that was the right choice or not. But yeah, that's the update. And if you're wondering about where I learned about crypto trading bots, I ended up purchasing a training program called the Plan by Dan Hollings about this was around August or September of last year, 2021. And if you want to learn more about the program, click the link back down below, and there's a webinar where Dan Hollings will go over the whole training program. I know it's scared right now with crypto crashing, so if you just want to see how bots can do during crash, just follow the journey, and um, you'll see exactly how I use bots during this downturn and during a bear market if that's what we're entering right now. Now, if you're enjoying following along on this journey, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps me grow this channel. I'm glad to have you join me on my journey, and as always, fiat and gold is dead, crypto is the future, and the future is now. See you all in the next video.